What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a pineapple cutter, you guys. We are going to be cutting pineapples. I think pineapples are one of the most frustrating things. I don't know. It's just something about pineapples. You know, my wife loves pineapples. I just don't like cutting them. I don't know. It feels like it's a lot of work to cut a pineapple, in my opinion, but you know. Yeah, it is what it is, right? So I did get this cutter from Temu, and there we go. I am not going to touch none of this because I honestly don't know how sharp anything is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse this, clean it off before I cut any fruit. So it does look a little bit dirty. I don't know if that's dirt or is this. What is this? I don't know what it is, but I'm going to clean it off though. All right. Now to put this on, and of course we didn't get instructions, you guys, so it is what it is. All right. You have to use your intuition. All right. So you push that in. If you want to put it in a dishwasher or clean it, you could push back in and take it off like that. So you have to push these knobs in. Okay. But let me clean this real quick. I got this pineapple from Sam's Club. I don't know if that means anything to anybody. We are going to cut the top. Now we are going to check to see how this thing actually works. All right. Now, if you look at this, we are going to go right in. I'm pushing down and I'm twisting. Oh, and this is really juicy, so be prepared. All right, so I'm pushing and twist. And you know what? You don't need that much pressure. This cuts really fast. Wow. You guys, I'm not putting too much pressure into this. Oh, this is nice and easy. This is good, like for real. Now, how do you know when to stop? That's my question. Do I just keep going until it gets to the out? I think I'm done. So what do? Do you pull out? All right, pull out. All right, it's best to keep twisting and pull out. Wow. And there you go. Look, I actually cut so you can actually see the hole right there. All right. And this is pretty cool, you guys. So there you go. There you go. All right. Very nice. This is awesome, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This product is from Temu, but if you're not a fan of Temu, which I know people are not a lot of fans of Temu and TikTok, right? I will post a similar product link in the description from Amazon. If you don't like it, you can always return, you guys. This is nice. This is nice right here. All you gotta do is pop it up and then it breaks by itself. So this is awesome, you guys. Home products, you guys. Home products, home goods. These don't cost that much. This was only like $3. $3 from Temu. I mean, I don't know. This is pretty cool. All right. If you want to cut fruit easy, now I don't mind buying. I could buy 5 pineapples. I don't care. I can make a fruit bowl in seconds with these tools that we bring into this channel, you guys. Fruit bowls in seconds. You don't need to be doing all the pillar stuff. And I'm blah, blah, blah right now, but that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.